Hi, I'm Jenny. I'm going to show you how to take a simple braid from day to night in one easy step. I've already started parting my hair to one side because I feel like I want to have that swept across at the front because this kind of gives it a bit more of a polished feel. I'm going to use Braid, which is a really great lotion that really helps to make it easier to braid with your hair. I'm just going to run from mid-length to the ends. This makes it a lot easier to maneuver your hair. So I'm going to start at the hairline and work my way all the way down, pretty close to the hairline actually, all the way round, off to the other side, and come around and bring it together right here. And then this way you can just keep it slightly disheveled, and then that way it just gives it a little bit more of an edge. You're not looking to make it absolutely perfect. I'm just going to use a clear elastic, and this way you won't be able to see it. I'm just fanning out the tail slightly. Now I'm going to go through and just dishevel the braid just very slightly by just pulling the sections. To finish, I'm going to use Windblown, which is a fantastic product for just kind of giving you that swept feel. So there you have a simple braid taken from day to night.